Welcome to Lucky Gittu Wonders. My name is Lucky. I am studying second class. My school name is Dr. Bashir Tapasya School. Today I tell leading state and capitals.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amaravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Tirunanthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aswal,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
West Bengal.
Kolkata. Thanks.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.